Uh, our topic of discussion today is game theory. So, before we start, I want to give some caution. Uh, the first caution is that it's very likely that you might lose in between. So, if you lost, then don't hesitate to ask. Ask me wherever you lost, uh, so that I can know that if we all are in same line or not, right? So back propagation is very important, right? If you, I should know that you are getting it. Second question is that it's also very likely to possible that I lost. So in that case, you all are intelligent, right? So you can help me or else just give me some time to go through it and I'll figure it out, right? So the topic is game theory. How many of you know something about game theory or know at least the term game theory? Any of you? You know. Anyone else? Yeah, so what do you know about game theory?
There are trick questions and puzzles. Okay, basically real life scenarios are given to you. And you're supposed to give a mathematical or logical answer.
Okay, it's very close and rightly said. Uh, so the game theory, so the theoretical definition is that game theory is the study of strategic decision making where multiple players are interacting to maximize their outcome. As in, uh, if there are two players and two players are playing a game, so it's very likely that one player will win the game. But there could be some mutual maximum output which is in benefit of both the players. So ideally one should play or the team should play, ideally both should play in that way. So let's take the example of prisoner's dilemma. Anyone of you know about prisoner's dilemma? So, this is the prisoner's dilemma, where there are two thieves, you can say, and we are giving a the cop is interacting with both of them, and let's say that if both of them confess that we are guilty, then they'll have go through 5 years of jail. If I mean, am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
So the image itself is still self-explanatory. That what happened if one confesses and one remains silent? What happened if both confess and both remain silent? So what should be the ideal solution for this, or what should both parties do?
Stay silent.
What?
Both should stay silent.
Both should stay silent, right? But in this case, both are not allowed to talk to each other. So you don't know that what other person is going to do, right? So the trust is coming in between, right, in the picture. That should I stay silent or should I confess? So that's the dilemma basically. That's the dilemma. And how should we approach this kind of problem? It's one example. But in real life situation, there are many possible problems which are similar to this problem. So we are going to see. We are going to see many, or not many, but few of these problems, and we will see how to approach those problems. So let's see one video which explains how or what is game theory. I don't think, is it audible?
Yes.
It's audible.
Find the right freelancer.
Right. So, anyone want to summarize what you? Sorry. Sorry.
If you have ID